Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually don't have really much to do, but next weekend I'm gonna be out of town, so I gotta record 2 videos this weekend. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, usually I put my base already, but I forgot today. So we're just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of, actually no, I'm gonna try this. Not try, but I haven't used this in a minute. It's from Inglot, and it's just the eye makeup base. This is like, the reason why I don't use it a lot is like tough. Like tough. And I'm just gonna tap it all over. I don't even remember how I feel about this base. I don't remember. I think I remember now. I feel like it's a little bit dry, but it's fine. It is fine. It is fine. So this is like literally, I've used this palette like for like 3 or 4 videos. This is the last time for now. It's the Danessa Myricks palette, but I want to use one shade on there today called Trance. So this shade right here, I want to use that shade. So, but we need something to put in the outer V, and then I'm gonna put Trance in the middle, and then we'll take it from there. No. Nope. I want kind of like something dark. Something dark. No. I like how I always be like just not finding what I want. I'm so disorganized when I'm recording. Like I should already have, what I'm gonna put there. I feel like I want like a black, right? Like maybe black. Yes. I used a brown yesterday, so I don't want to use a brown again today. Actually, this might work. This is from Play Makeup by Yolondo, and it's the Petri dish purple, and I'm just gonna put this right here. This shade right here is so dark. Eyeshadow Guards is like your friend if you like trying to create, that sharp look. I see why I don't like this base. It's already like creasy, like right here. You see how like that looks gross. That looks gross, but I need a maybe I'll use this blue, like this blue right here, and then just buff this up a little bit. I don't know if that was quite a great idea. I don't think it liked this. I don't know if it likes this. This is from Laura Lee, and then I'm just gonna go in, make this light. This looks quite dark, but it's fine. It is fine. Okay, let's go into Miss Danessa Myricks and let's go into Trans. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. And look at this. So pretty. And this is so creamy too. Like, so creamy. And then I need another flathead brush, and this is from Alamar Cosmetics. And I think I'm gonna go into, because I don't want it to look so dark, I'm gonna go into Angels and then put that right here. This is the business. Just to get a little, you know, make it a little bit softer. And then just break this up a bit so it's not sharp. Perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and let's talk about this foundation. I think I've done foundations with terrible shade range. I think this is the worst. So this is the Super Dewy Skin Tint Tinted Moisturizer from Makeup Revolution. And look at this. Oh my god. This is my Jeffree Star Concealer. See, now I feel like this is C. This is maybe too dark. It's cool though, because I'll go in for a little bit of a lighter. Let's not put that. Put it on touch shape tape, because I want a little bit in my inner corner, just a little bit, like right here. And then while this is doing, let me tap this foundation. Didn't do anything. Let us tap on this concealer a bit. I don't know. I feel like this concealer is giving me more coverage than my foundation, but who knows? And then I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury pen. Just tapping this a bit so it just, you know, because I do have some creasing. Which powder is that? My number one from Charlotte Tilbury, and then we're just gonna perfect. And now I go into my this dark. Oof. This is too dark for me. It's my work. This is from Locket from Kat Von D. That's what I'm gonna use to set the rest of my under eye. Okay, and to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use medium, which is number 30 from, you know, my micro smooth powder. This one is almost done, so I need a new one. The dark shade in my inner corner, like right here. Let's bring it down that shade a little bit. And that is it. That is it for the eye. Oh, actually no, I lied. I need a liner. Just gonna do a silver liner so to make the eye not so dark. No, I'm done. No, I'm done with the eye. I'm hungry. For bronzer, I'm gonna use my Omega bronzer from Marc Jacobs. You know, I don't think he does makeup anymore. I think it's just like clothes and perfume and stuff like that, which is crazy because I feel like, you know, his stuff was really good, but this bronzer was very pricey, so you're is gonna use it till, you know, it's done. But you can use any bronzer for not, you don't have to use this bronzer, you know. And then for blush, I'm gonna use that blush crush from Rude Cosmetics. I think I'm gonna mix these two shades. I'm gonna make sweet, and you know what? Let's do pink. I don't usually do pink. Let's do candy and sugar crush. Oh my god. That's a lot, but it's fine because I'll take some off, because I don't think I can pull off pink blush. That's why I don't really use a lot of it. It's bright. It's fine. It is fine. It is fine. A little highlighter. Let me switch up my highlighter a bit, because I've been using this one from Rare Beauty. This is from Elf. Does it have a name? It's just Blush Gems, and it's 83706. I guess that's the number, and it looks like so. Subtle, but it's there. You know, that girl that comes to the party and sits on the chair. She's there, but you know, not really doing a lot. She just came for the party, not to do a lot. Okay, let's line the lip. I'm gonna use this Draw Me from Tower. And then I'm gonna use Pistachio. I need to blend this out a little bit though. Yeah, this will work. Then let's set the face. Okay, so that's it guys for this look. I really like, I know the eye is kind of bold, but I really like how the look came out, you know, to go to grocery.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to
So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.